Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how you can set your Android game on pause if incoming call is received or if you press home button. Scripts as usual will be available by the link in the description. Let's take a look what do we have here. Of course we have a cat. Our cat has move cat script attached that makes it to move from one side of the screen to another. Here is this script. Here are a couple of variables which are direction x and move speed. Variables are assigned in start method. Direction x equals to 1 and move speed equals to 5. Then in update method, our cat's position in x-axis is modified by direction x value multiplied by move speed and time delta time. Y-axis position stays the same. Then, if cat's x-axis value becomes lower than -5, which means that cat reaches left side of the screen, then direction x value is set to +1 and cat goes to the right. And if x value becomes greater than +5, so cat reaches right side of the screen, then direction x is set to -1 and cat goes to the left. That's the cat. Next game object is pause control. It's just empty one with pause script attached. Here it is. Here we have isPaused boolean variable, which is assigned as false initially. And timescale is set to 1 at the start. Then, in gamePause method, which is invoked when pause button is pressed, we set isPaused value to opposite one first. So if it was true, then it becomes false. And if it was false, then it becomes true. So we have kind of switch here. Then, if isPaused is true, then timescale is set to 0 and game stops. If isPaused is false, then timescale is set to 1 and game goes on. OnApplicationPause method is invoked when incoming call is received or when you pressed home button on your Android device. This method just sets isPaused to true and set timescale to 0 as well. That's it. Also, here we have UI button, which is pause button in our case. This button has one on-click function, where pause control game object is selected here, and gamePause method is selected to be invoked if button is clicked. That's it. All of this simple stuff allow us to set game on pause by pressing pause button, and also our game is automatically isPaused if we press home button or if some incoming call is received during a game. That's it. Hope you like this tutorial, thank you for watching, see you next time.